3 bedrooms, 1 level with a great meadow view and gorgeous Saddle Lake Farms. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 2nd of October. James Spann here. A band of showers passing through this morning, but it's going to be quick in, quick out, and the weekend looks pretty good, at least tomorrow. Let's go right to the Skycam images this morning. We'll start with the camera over across the state line in Meridian, Mississippi. And that's rain falling there. That camera's at Bonita Lakes Mall. The Decatur Skycam up in the Tennessee Valley, rain falling up there. And by golly, it's raining in Jasper. That's our Skycam up in Walker County. Well, there's the deal. Nice upper trough. Moving on through, and you can see active convection all the way from near Cleveland down to New Orleans. And there's a peek at the radar at 5 o'clock, and there's your band of showers, really ahead of schedule. I mean, and it sure looks like it's not going to rain that much. I mean, we've got that little narrow band from Huntsville to Jasper down to Meridian. And, boy, from the looks of things, it'll be gone by 8 o'clock this morning for Birmingham. In fact, the rain has already ended for Hamilton and Muscle Shoals, so this thing way ahead of schedule, and looks like we'll be in sunshine this afternoon. So obviously, no problems for the high school football games tonight. The sky should be crystal clear. Here's the rain for the next 5 days, and of course, no severe weather today. This is valid through Tuesday evening. Now, understand this counts the rain today, but anything early next week will be involved in this as well. So about 1 inch, and I really think this morning, based on that radar, we're not going to see much more than a 1/4 inch. And that's it. Heaviest rain off to the west over places like Houston and Lake Charles. And the tropics, just not much happening out there. Non-tropical low in the North Atlantic near the Azores. A little tropical wave in the Middle Atlantic, but the upper air winds are hostile. So again, we don't expect any active weather out there. So let's look at modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. There's the upper low north of us. Down below that, there's the front coming through. But again, this model is just too slow because that stuff is coming through here at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. It'll be long gone by midday today, unless there is a surface low you see down there at New Orleans that maybe hangs this thing up. Tomorrow, beautiful. Should be a great day. Sunny, low humidity, highs in the 70s. We'll start the day in the upper 40s. A wonderful day for football all across the Deep South. But look at this now. Sunday, the GFS wants to bring the moisture back in here. That makes you want to go, obviously, if the 12Z keeps this up, we'll have to insert a chance of a shower Sunday. Just be aware that idea is now on the table. Our forecast for the moment is dry, but again, the next run does that. We'll stick in some risk of a shower, especially for areas south and west of Birmingham. And then Monday, we get in this moist air, so we will mention a chance of scattered showers and storms on Monday. A new low develops out there in the lee of the Rockies. Tuesday, interesting battle here between a warm ridge to the south and the westerlies just to the north of us, and down below that, it's going to be like a summer pattern there. We're in a very moist air mass, so some risk of scattered showers and storms on Tuesday, and pretty warm with low, maybe mid-80s. And again, the run looks a little different for the rest of next week. All of a sudden, Wednesday, we got a surface front coming in here. And that would suggest a good round of showers and storms. Previous models, runs of this model, had a ridge in mid-80s and some sun and just a few scattered showers. All of a sudden, this looks fairly wet on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we get into dry air again, with nice cool air advection and, again, very comfortable weather if this is right. So this is kind of a different look. Again, let's look at that next run, the 12Z run, before we make the adjustments. And then a week from today would be dry if this is correct. And we do note very cold air over Canada. It's a 1,044 millibar high up there over the Northwest Territories. We'll peak at the end of the month. That upper air pattern will not deliver that cold air down in here. The zonal flow is up north, and down here, a little weak trough off to the west. And again, that would suggest no cold air. But again, it's awfully cold in Canada up there. And at some point, that will be allowed to drop south. And I get the idea we might have frost on the pumpkins before this month is over. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.